How Pakistan can develop what its rulers should do. ChatGPT. Developing Pakistan requires a multifaceted approach involving various aspects such as governance, education, infrastructure, economy, and social development. While the responsibility primarily lies with the rulers, it also requires collective effort from citizens, civil society organizations, and other stakeholders. Here are some key areas and actions that Pakistan's rulers should consider. Good governance: promote transparency, accountability, and the rule of law. Establish efficient and impartial institutions, streamline bureaucratic processes, and combat corruption. Encourage political stability and provide a conducive environment for businesses and investors. Economic reforms: implement policies that foster economic growth, attract foreign investment, and promote entrepreneurship. Focus on improving the ease of doing business, reducing red tape, and providing incentives for industries. Invest in sectors with growth potential, such as technology, agriculture, manufacturing, and renewable energy. Education and skill development: prioritize education reforms to enhance access, quality, and relevance. Increase investment in education infrastructure, improve curriculum, and promote technical and vocational training. Encourage research and development to drive innovation and create a skilled workforce. Infrastructure development: invest in building and upgrading infrastructure, including roads, railways, ports, and energy facilities. Improve access to basic services like clean water, healthcare, and sanitation. Enhance connectivity within the country and with neighboring regions to boost trade and economic activity. Social development: focus on poverty alleviation, social protection, and empowerment of marginalized communities. Implement programs that address healthcare, sanitation, housing, and nutrition needs. Promote gender equality, inclusivity, and human rights. Foreign relations: foster positive relations with neighboring countries and the international community. Seek mutually beneficial partnerships, trade agreements, and foreign investment. Actively participate in regional forums and organizations to enhance cooperation and leverage collective strengths. Environmental sustainability: implement measures to tackle environmental challenges, such as air and water pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Promote renewable energy sources and sustainable practices in agriculture, industry, and transportation. Digital transformation: embrace technology and promote digital literacy. Develop a robust IT infrastructure, facilitate e-commerce, and promote innovation in the tech sector. Leverage digital platforms for effective governance, service delivery, and citizen engagement. Empowering civil society: encourage participation of civil society organizations, NGOs, and citizen initiatives in decision-making processes. Support their efforts in addressing social issues, promoting human rights, and advocating for the underprivileged. Long-term planning: develop a comprehensive and inclusive national development strategy with clear goals, targets, and timelines. Continuously monitor progress, evaluate policies, and adapt strategies as needed. It's important to note that the development of a nation requires sustained efforts over an extended period. Collaboration between the government, citizens, and other stakeholders is crucial to overcome challenges and achieve sustainable progress.